In mathematics, we often solve for x, but what about y? You may or may not know that the formula for finding the volume of a pyramid with a square base is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Today, I want to show you a visual representation of this so we can see where this formula actually comes from. As a reminder, the volume of a cube is length times width times height. And since the area of a square is length times width, we can shorten this formula to be the area of the base times the height. And as it turns out, we can actually split this cube apart into 3 equally sized pyramids with square bases. And as you can see, the height of each pyramid is the same as the height of the cube. And since the volume of a cube is the area of the base times the height, and we just split this cube into 3 equal pieces, then the volume of each of these pyramids will be 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. And that's one way to visually represent the formula for the volume of a pyramid with a square base. Another way we could show this is by splitting the cube into 6 identical pyramids with square bases. Then each pyramid's volume will be 1/6 the volume of a cube, or in other words, 1/6 times the area of the base times the height of the cube. But you'll notice that the height of the cube is twice as tall as the height of the pyramid. So we can replace this height, which represents the height of the cube, with 2 times the height of the pyramid, and simplifying this equation, we will once again get 1/3 times the area of the base times the height of the pyramid. You may have seen the formula for the volume of a pyramid with a square base before and been curious as to where that 1/3 comes from, and I hope that these visual representations might help you see that better. This was What About Why?